Hi students, today we are going to discuss about polynomials and factorization, ninth class second chapter, exercise 2.5, fourth bit. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. First question, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Solution, comparing with identity x plus y plus z whole square equal x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. We find that x equal x, y equal 2y, z equal 4z. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square equal x square plus y square 2y whole square plus z square 4z whole square plus 2x into y 2y plus 2 into y 2y into z 4z plus 2 into x into z 4z equal x square x plus 2y whole square 4y square plus 4z whole square 16z square plus 2 2 ja 4 x into y xy plus 2 2 ja 4 4 4 ja 16 y into z yz plus 2 4 ja 8 x into z xz. Second question, 2a minus 3b whole cube. Solution, comparing with identity x minus y whole cube equal x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. We find that x equal 2a, y equal 3b. 2a minus 3b whole cube equal to x cube, 2a whole cube minus y cube, 3b whole cube minus 3 into x, 2a into y, 3b into x 2a minus y 3b equal 2a whole cube 8a cube minus 3b whole cube 27b cube minus 3 2 ja 6 6 3 ja 18 a into b ab into 2a minus 3b equal 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 2 ja 36 ab into a square b minus into minus plus 18 3 ja 54 ab into b a b square. Third question, minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. Solution, comparing with identity x plus y plus c whole square equal x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. We find that x equal minus 2a, y equal 5b, z equal minus 3c. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square equal x square minus 2a whole square plus y square 5b whole square plus z square minus 3c whole square plus 2 into x minus 2a into y 5b plus 2 into y 5b into z minus 3c plus 2 into x minus 2a into z minus 3c equal minus 2a whole square 4a square plus 5b whole square 25b square plus minus 3c whole square 9c square plus into minus minus 2 2 ja 4 4 5 ja 20 a into b ab plus into minus minus 2 5 ja 10 10 10 3 ja 30 b into c bc minus into minus plus 2 2 ja 4 4 3 ja 12 a into c ac. Bit factorize first question 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Solution 25x square can be written as 5x whole square plus 16y square can be written as 4y whole square plus 4z square can be written as 2z whole square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz minus 40xy x common factor minus 20xz common factor x indicated minus symbol. X value minus 5x, y value 4y, z value 2z plus x value minus 2 into x value minus 5x into y value 4y plus 2 y value 4y into z value 2z plus 2 into x value minus 5x into z value 2z minus 5x whole square equal 25x square plus 4y whole square equal 16y square plus 2z whole square equal 4z square plus into minus minus 2 5 ja 10 10 4 ja 40 x into y xy plus 2 4 ja 8 8 2 ja 16 y into z yz plus into minus minus 2 5 ja 10 10 2 ja 20 x into z xz. Comparing with identity x plus y plus z whole square equal x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2z ZX RHS LHS. Find the LHS. X value minus 5x plus y value 4y plus z value 2z whole square. Minus into minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z whole square. Minus into minus plus 5x minus into plus minus 4y minus into plus minus 2z whole square equal 5x minus 4y minus 2z into 5x minus 4y minus 2z. Second question, 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Solution, 9a square can be written as 3a whole square plus 4b square can be written as 2b whole square plus 16c square can be written as 4c whole square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Indicated symbol minus 16bc minus 24ca. Common factor c. C value minus 4c. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A square 3a whole square plus b square 2b whole square plus c square minus 4c whole square plus 2 into a 3a into b 2b plus 2 into b 2b into c minus 4c plus 2 into c minus 4c into a 3a. 3a whole square 9a square plus 2b whole square 4b square plus minus 4c whole square 16c square plus 3c 3 2 is 6 6 2 is 12 a into b ab plus into minus minus 2 2 is 4 4 4 is 16 b into c bc plus into minus minus 2 4 is 8 8 3 is 24 c into a ca. Comparing with identity x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. LHS RHS. Find the LHS. X value 3a plus y value 2b, z value minus 4c whole square equal 3a plus 2b minus 4c into 3a plus 2b minus 4c. Sixth bit, if a plus b plus c equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equal 26, find a square plus b square plus c square. Solution, a plus b plus c equal to 9. Squaring on both sides a plus b plus c whole square equal 9 square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal 9 square 81. A square plus b square plus c square 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca common factor 2. ab plus bc plus ca equal 81. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca equal 26 equal 81. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into 26 52 equal 81. A square plus b square plus c square equal 81 plus 52 transposing to minus 52. A square plus b square plus c square equal 29. Find the a square plus b square plus c square equal 29.